Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to activate your AT&T Prepaid SIM card. You can activate it directly from your phone or by calling AT&T. Just follow these simple steps and you'll be up and running in no time. Option 1. Activate AT&T Prepaid from your phone. Step 1. Prepare your phone. Before you start, make sure your phone is fully charged and that your AT&T Prepaid SIM card is already inserted. Once everything is ready, turn on your phone by pressing and holding the power button. Note, if you don't have a SIM card yet and you're using your own phone, BYOD, you'll need to buy an AT&T Prepaid SIM kit first. Step 2. Start activation. Once your phone turns on, tap Activate Now on the screen. Step 3. Enter your zip code. Type in your 5-digit zip code, then tap OK. Step 4. Choose a plan. Select the rate plan you want to use. Step 5. Confirm details. If your zip code and selected plan are correct, tap Confirm. If you need to change anything, just select Change Zip Code or Change Plan. Step 6. Receive your temporary login. You'll receive a message with your new phone number, a temporary password, the last 4 digits of your phone number. Tap OK. Then you'll receive another free text message with a link to paygoline.com. Your phone number, your temporary password. Important reminder, you must add money to your account within 26 days or your account will be cancelled and your number will be lost. You can add money by visiting paygoline.com, dialing 611 from your AT&T prepaid phone, buying an AT&T prepaid refill card. Step 7. Log into PayGoline. Open your browser and go to paygoline.com. Enter your phone number and temporary password, then tap Sign In. Step 8. Receive your new password. You'll get another free text message with your updated password. Step 9. Update your account. Enter the updated password in your browser and tap. Continue. You'll be asked to change your password. Update your personal information. Once done, tap Continue again. Step 10. Add payment. After logging in, scroll down and tap Make a payment. Follow the instructions to enter your payment details and fund your account. Once payment is successful, your AT&T Prepaid SIM is fully activated. Option 2. Activate a T&T Prepaid. Over the phone. If you prefer phone activation, just call 8774-260525. Follow the automated instructions. You'll need your phone number, your IMEI number. Activation usually takes about 10 minutes, and that's it. Your AT&T prepaid SIM card will be activated and ready to use for calls, texts, and mobile data.